Thank you, Hotel Aaron. I'm gonna miss you. Gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss the Shinsenkai. We're going now to the airport. Pauwi na tayo ng Pilipinas. Okay. So, this is our last day. That's a zoo. So guys, the zoo we shall go there but it been pushed through kasi kulang na sa oras.
Imagine mo kung ano pa yung walking distance, ano?
Open the
Tenojis.
Tayo naka-zoo.
Kaya nga, lalakarin lang. Yung zoo, ayun o, lalakarin lang natin.
Hindi ka nakaganyan na outfit.
Alright, gonna miss eating takoyaki here. Okay. So, papunta na tayo sa nasa van na tayo, papunta ng Kansai Airport. Alam kong tumatawa kayo, haha. Ohayo gozaimasu, minasan, konnichiwa, minasan, odori.
Unang tumawa yung favorite mo, si Mati.
Ninang, balik tayo ng Japan next time ulit pero sa Tokyo naman tayo or Fukuoka or yung mga hindi pa natin napuntahan. So it's my second time again in Osaka and we're leaving. Okay.
Kasi wala na time.
And you got sick, Marco.
Let's take Hachiko, Soku 15, go to Sakai, to Osaka.
You both got sick, eh.
Okay. End ko na muna tong video. I'll take the next video on the way to Kansai Airport na. So, definitely we're gonna miss this place. We're gonna take Air Asia coming back home to the Philippines, no? Osaka. To Osaka, Grabe, sobrang lamig dito, oh. Okay. Diyan tayo sumakay going to Universal Studios, no?
This is the other railway.
Yeah. I'll miss the Suji line and Sankai Suji and Yorobashi line, no?
Yung Kito Panda jackets. Want to recline your chair? Baka. Yan. Ikaw, you want to recline your chair?
In your heart, Japan will always be in our hearts.
Pwede mo recline yung chair mo, Dave.
Nope, it's fine.
Dati pwede mo recline yung chair mo.
Out of the place I'm going to miss.
Ito pang Google
To
Map.
Kansai.
Kahit sa Pilipinas, magagamit natin yung halimbawa, pag hindi tayo marunong mag-commute, gano'n.
Everywhere in the world. Okay, so I'll end this video.
Oo.
Okay, so malapit na tayo atang umakyat sa super highway, sa expressway to Kansai Airport. Not to expressway.